तो ग्लोबल के इस हेड ऑफिस के अंदर इस वक्त मैं पहुंच चुका हूं और आपको अलायंस इन मोशन ग्लोबल के इस हेड ऑफिस के अंदर मैं विजिट करवाने के लिए जा रहा हूं कि अलायंस इन मोशन ग्लोबल पाकिस्तान के अंदर किस तरह से अपने फ़राइज़ अंजाम दे रही है और किस तरह से बहुत से लोगों के ड्रीम्स को फुलफिल कर रही है। तो आइए मैं आपको अलायंस इन मोशन ग्लोबल का विजिट करवाता हूँ।
This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, your power. Yeah. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice, raise your power, your power. Yeah.
थैंक यू दोस्तों, इस वक्त हम मैनेजमेंट के रूम में पहुंच चुके हैं जो कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर अलायंस इन मोशन ग्लोबल के फ़राइज़ अंजाम दे रहे हैं। आइए इनसे गुफ्तगू करते हैं और पूछते हैं कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर अलायंस इन मोशन ग्लोबल किस तरह से परफॉर्म कर रही है और आने वाले दौर के अंदर पाकिस्तानी अवाम को अलायंस इन मोशन ग्लोबल क्या देने जा रही है। इनसे कुछ सवाल करते हैं। आइए Bro, how's your feeling about Pakistani people, and do you think Alliance in Motion Global can fulfill their dreams?
So it's basically Pakistan in general. It's like in general, Pakistan is बहुत अच्छा मुल्क है. In Tagalog, in our language, Pakistan is like magandang bansa. That not in the globally known as a good country. But once you visited Pakistan, once you live the life in Pakistan, once you go with the lifestyle of Pakistan, Pakistan napakagandang bansa.
Bro, second thing is that do you think that other countries people they can join AIM Global and they can work online and they can be successful in Pakistan?
Definitely say it's up. Alliance in Motion Global platform is an online and offline platform. So, ibig sabihin na lahat ng mga Filipino, not just Filipino or not just Pakistani, na nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa or they are living in other countries, they can easily join Alliance in Motion Global in online platform. Even though Pakistani people who are working outside Pakistan, they can still join Alliance in Motion Global on its online platform. So it's like a universal business, it's a global business that anyone in the world can actually join Alliance in Motion Global online.
And other question is, bro, how you're working in Pakistan? Do you feel you are safe in Pakistan?
Yes, bro, 100%. Pakistan, again, maybe with the influence of media, some people outside Pakistan thinking it's not safe, especially for the foreigners. But in my experience here in Pakistan, I totally love Pakistan. You know, the Pakistani people, their hospitality, and the potential of the Pakistani people in business, especially in this kind of platform, Alliance in Motion Global platform, is very broad, it's very big opportunity that is coming here in Pakistan. And to all foreigners, to all, to all Pakistani people who are working outside Pakistan, they can easily come back home in Pakistan, then do their business on their own home, in their own country, instead of going abroad. However, for foreigners like me, I guarantee that from my own experience for the past 3 years, Pakistan is very safe. Pakistan is actually it's like it's not discovered properly. It's undiscovered. I mean, the potential of Pakistan is not yet being shown in the whole world. However, in the Alliance in Motion Global platform, even you are a foreigner, you're a Pakistani or whatever nationality you are, you can represent your country in this company.
Wow.
You can represent your own country from this company to another, from one country to another. So for those foreigners who wants to invest here in Pakistan, I highly recommend that you come and visit Pakistan and check the opportunities here in Pakistan, because Pakistan has a lot to offer. The culture is well preserved, the people are very hospitable, the love for business, the love and commitment for their families is very good. That is actually leading towards the economic growth of Pakistan. And I'm wishing that inshallah, it's not just us who will come to Pakistan more. And for foreigners and to all, especially to our Filipino community here in Pakistan, for those people or Filipinos that who do not know about Alliance in Motion Global, 100% Filipino company is now here in Pakistan. So for those Filipino people, I would recommend them to come and visit our office here in Lahore so that they can check the opportunity that we are bringing here in Pakistan.
Second, bro, I want to ask you, what is company planning for Pakistani people in upcoming years?
Oh bro, that's a very big plan for Alliance in Motion Global Pakistan because whatever is happening in Alliance in Motion Global Philippines, like we do have a lot of millionaires, we do have a lot of achievers, we do have a lot of travel incentives like USA, Dubai, Africa, Hong Kong travels, Korea, and now we are launching. Soon we will be launching our office in Spain. We are conquering the Europe now. Now we want to bring that success also in Pakistan. The plan of Alliance in Motion Global is of course to provide business opportunity to the people. And from that, we want to provide a growth of financial growth to the people also. So in the Philippines, for the past 13 years and 14 years of experience of Alliance in Motion Global Philippines, we want to bring that success in Pakistan. We have also our Alive Foundation. This is a charity program of our company, of Alliance in Motion Global, that bringing the blessings of the company to the needy people. So we want to bring that here in Pakistan. We have a lot and big plans for Pakistan, and inshallah, with the help, of course, of loyal distributors like you and your leaders here in Alliance in Motion Global Pakistan, inshallah, we will bring this success also in your country.
Mr. Marvin, would you like to say any message for other countries' people?
Sure, bro. First of all, I want to greet Assalamualaikum AIM Global Pakistan, खुश आमदीद to Alliance in Motion Global. ठीक है, मेरा नाम मार्विन है, branch officer in charge here in Pakistan. So to all Pakistani people, I'm inviting you to join our great leader, our loyal leader, okay, and one of the very honest leader in our company here in Pakistan. Okay, and to all Filipino community here in Pakistan, now is the right time to join one of the good leader, Mr. Said Iqbal. ठीक है? One of the best experience here in AIM Global Pakistan, okay, is they're building one team. They're building one good team. Not just good team, a family. They will help you, guide you, everything, so you will achieve your success. And inshallah, if you join our team, you will be the next millionaire. Bakit ka nga ba magjo-join sa mga Pakistani? Ano ba ang mga characteristics ng Pakistani? Ito po yun. Number 1, napaka-energetic. Okay? Sa sobrang energy nila, talagang mapapajoin ka. Saan ka pa? Number 2, napaka-loyal nila. Number 3, ang work experience sila, napaka-dedicated. Okay? Straightforward. Work. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Join na. Para kayo na ang susunod na maging successful.
Bro, last my question. as you know, Pakistani people used to allopathic medicine. Do you think Pakistani people will be convert in food supplements?
Well, for us, I do highly recommend a natural form. We would like to recommend, of course, natural formulations that is good for the health. I am not against any allopathic medicines or any drugs because certain medicines have their own function. But for Alliance in Motion Global Pakistan, we always believe that prevention is better than cure.
Okay, bro. Thank you very much for your great cooperation, and thank you very much. Again, thank you.
very much.
How did you find a way to run from the city of the sun? You could have stayed, it's only over when the day is done. I never knew you was a runner, yeah. I mistook you for a son. It don't matter what we think when it's all over. 'Cause this is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah. This is our last chance